Thanks to generous donors like you, the City to Sea program has been able to take low-income inner-city children out to the ocean. Because of your generosity, our scientific expeditions take out over 350 students per year. Because of the success of City to Sea, we recently acquired a 62-foot donated boat that we're converting into a marine science and technology learning center. But this learning center is in need of many, many updates. Our latest campaign to raise $65,000, the money has gone towards scientific equipment, safety upgrades, and improvements to the hull. We need your continued support to complete our laboratory. We're almost there. We want to take the final step and complete our floating classroom in order to accommodate our students for the fall semester. Please give what you can. Help us take the next step in completing our cruising classroom. We need to improve the structural, we need to improve the scientific, we need to improve the hydraulics. There's a multiple list of things we need to do to get our boat to comply to current regulations. That's why we're asking for your help today. City to Sea would also like to increase our reach. We'd like to not only have the kids on the water see the beauty and importance of the ocean, but we'd like to take that to the classrooms throughout Southern California. By video streaming and having our students on the water answering questions of the kids in the classroom, we're creating a unique learning experience and environment.
My name is Dave. I'm a marine biologist and a science educator, and I've been teaching high school in Los Angeles for a couple of years now. I've been working with City to Sea for 3 years. It's difficult to perform experiments in the classroom and to expose the kids to nature when they're inside. The chief advantage to working with City to Sea is that we get the kids outdoors. We get them to where they can perform experiments, they can participate in real science research from a boat in the middle of the channel. They can be exposed to real marine science research.
City to Sea is very proud of our achievements. Over 90% of the students in our pilot program have not only graduated high school, but have gone on to attend a 4-year college, with 44% expressing an interest in science, medicine, or engineering. This is a fantastic statistic when you look at the fact that in Los Angeles, there's about a 30% to 40% dropout rate just for high school students. We think this is a problem and we want to do something about it.
The kids are way more engaged in science on the boat than they ever are in the classroom. And the kids that I can't reach in the classroom, those are the kids that really engage here on the boat because we give them something to do. We give them hands-on activities. We give them experiments. They have to think about what they're doing. They have to solve problems. And it's really engaging for them.
As captain of the vessels for the last 10 years, the biggest thrill for me is to watch the smiles and excitement on these young students' faces when they see a whale for the first time, when they try to reach over and touch one of the dolphins that are swimming in our bow wave. It's truly a magical experience, and I invite all of you to come join us. With your help and support, we have the ability to reach more students in Southern California. We can get students one step closer to a college education. Thank you for your generosity in helping us to achieve our mission.